So many bags, so little time. Welcome to factory number 8 here in Billings, Montana. This is where the magic happens. All our bags are cut and sewn right here. Innovation is part of our DNA at Red Ox, and one of our favorite things to do is to cook up new products. Through the years, we receive constant feedback from product reviews and conversations with you, our customer, and we've listened. This feedback has helped us develop an extensive line of prototypes. Some of these bags have been stuck on this rack for years. And every day I walk by and ask myself, what if? Well, the question now is not if, but when. Each month, we'll be turning loose a new product for a limited time. Keep an eye on your inbox, watch our social media channels, and you'll see something fresh and exciting made to order exclusively for our backers. That would be you. Then make your way to redox.com to show your support for Made in Montana products that are rugged, reliable, and tough, all backed by our no bull warranty. Follow me into the studio. Sam's got something to show you. Hello, Sam.
Here we are today with the Maximum Utility Travel Tote, or MUT as we like to call it. Reason being, we have taken our standard market tote and added many of the features that our customers asked for in customer reviews. There are pockets inside and out, all the better to help keep you organized throughout your day. You can take your day with you, as it were. On the front here, you'll notice a pleated front pocket. It makes it a little bit more roomy. On the back, we have this handy pass-through. That way you can put it on the handle of rolling luggage if you would like. If not, it's rather unobtrusive. On the back as well, we have a snap closure pocket for all those items you want easy access to. On the sides, we have D-rings. You can connect stuff with carabiner. It's also there for an optional shoulder strap. We also have these handy water bottle pockets on the side as well. On the inside, you'll notice that we have padding on the bottom. There's a handy laptop sleeve in here. You can put in your laptop, tablet, notebooks, anything you want to keep separate from the main interior of the bag. It also has an adjustable closure on it. We have various small pockets inside as well, pen and pencil pockets, 3 handy little mesh pockets in there. So this is our Maximum Utility Travel Tote. More pockets, more padding, more of the features you asked for, designed to be your constant companion wherever you go.